Yeah, see, oh, there's a bird. Yeah, gotcha. It's my new buddy Michael.
Hey, how's it going, you two?
Just met him out here. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
Like 18, 20.
Nice fish there. Beautiful little guy. Not too little. Actually, that's a good eater, but
Yeah, that's perfect.
today I think we're just gonna let him go. Shout out to Michael for bringing me across, because I probably wouldn't have made it out if he wasn't here. So.
I love fishing. You meet the coolest people.
Yeah. Just a lot of quality fish in this area, though.
Yeah, it seems like it.
I mean,
Nice. Got him.
yeah, they're choking it a little bit. Well, this guy did. The first one, actually, it was on the bottom of his mouth on the outside.
Oh, he probably tried to pin it.
Yeah.
Nice. Someone's catching.
You want to switch it up?
Yeah, I have. Also, I've caught fish so far, so
Yeah.
I'll try this year.
Right. Oh, yeah. Something. All right, let's see if the phone will work this time. Cooperate with me.
While you got your phone out, when you get a second, grab my number.
All right.
I'll be heading out of here in probably like 10 minutes, 5 minutes.
Okay. What's your number?
815-420-34.
1, 2, 3. Nice.
Yeah. Badass phone number.
Michael.
Yes, sir.
You got a YouTube channel name, or is it just your name?
Yeah, it's C2C Michael.
C2C Michael?
Yeah, it's coast to coast.
Coast to coast. Okay, nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna send you a subscribe.
Not anywhere near a coast, but still.
Hey, it's the mission,
Yeah.
the vision, you know?
Exactly.
What a beautiful day to be out here snowing.
Yeah, I was surprised that it's not so windy down here.
And the waders.
Yeah, up at the cars, it was bad.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Bossing out of here.
Alrighty, hey, it was nice meeting you. We'll definitely have to get out and do some more fishing together.
I'm so down.
Alright guys, so pretty much I haven't been working the cadence a whole lot with switching it up. Just kind of casting out into the current there. This current's kind of swimming around and then it pulls back out that long way. So what I've been doing is I'll cast out there into the current. I'm just lifting my tip up and I'm letting my bait drag with the current back along here. And I've got hit a couple times that way. Yeah, it just feels good to be back out here, guys. Open water fishing on February 16th, 2023. Nothing more I could be asking for. Other than it's time to get back to some open water fishing, what I love doing the most. I want to bring you guys a lot of good content. I want to take you on adventures with me. I want you to meet some of the people I meet, see some of the things I see, and you know, hopefully it's a great year for us. Man. Look at the trees, guys. Look at that view. Look at that view. A couple more casts. We're out of here. A couple more casts. All right, last cast. Last cast right here. That is the last one. All right, one more. Last cast. All right, last cast. Walking off right now. Done. My fingertips not warming up. It's freezing. It's frozen. It's gone. It's gone. We're gonna grab our bag and go. Look at, there's a minnow net. I got a free minnow net. Look at that little minnow bat, a little minnow bucket net thing. Can never have too many of those. I'm gonna stick that right in the pocket. Glove. Backpack zipped all the way up. And we're gonna head back, guys. It was very fun. Caught 2 fish. First open water of the year. I hope I got both of them on film. Should have had at least one on film for you guys. Don't know for sure. Oh, fuck. Did we cross right there? I thought we came in. Yeah.